Alright guys, welcome back. And lo and behold, what do we have sitting in the shop here? Besides Jody Miller sitting over there, which I'm sure he's going to talk some crap. Let's check out what we got sitting here. Something about a streetcar is all I know. Two streetcars together. I know they're going to do a little, give a listener a little love this evening. They're going to do something. You got the mad scientist over here, always keeping him busy. So Chris, when you gonna drive his car?
I'm about scared to. I can't replace it.
You look good sitting in that car. I think you'd look pretty good making a pass or two down the track in it.
I'd try it.
Wonder if would you trade? Trade a Ford for a Chevy? See, I knew eventually one of these days you'd see the light. He what? Won't hurt him.
Yours bigger than this?
Yeah.
So here you are, sitting, surrounded by greatness behind you there.
What's that?
That Mustang and that Camaro. Heard somebody been giving you a hard time.
What, Robbie?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Worry about him.
Well, it's a little bit bigger than a chicken coop, though.
Yeah.
He's grinning like a possum over there.
Worried Saturday.
Are you afraid? What about Saturday?
I don't know.
You gonna race?
Yeah, my suspension ain't here, but I ain't scared.
Just hit the scramble and hold it off the starting line.
Ain't no damn blue Mustang go outrun me. Me and him both be across the guardrail.
Well, they say Mustangs can be crowd killers. Are you going to instigate it or him instigate it? Just whatever it takes.
Yeah, but he's whining his ain't right either, so I don't know.
Just kind of like a handicap. Yeah, he probably asked for the hit or something. We got this silver Camaro over here, referred to as a street car, and other people refer to it as a pro mod. Getting a little extra love from June over there. Can't catch it over there. What you doing, June? Yeah, he said something.
I think he said something about any green car from him.
Any what?
Silver Camaro.
Any what?
Green car.
Any green car.
Mustangs don't matter.
Sound like a call out to you, Jody.
Or S10s. Green S10s don't matter.
So it don't matter if it's. What about green Camaros?
Anything green.
Anything green can get it first round off a trailer.
We can do it.
It might not be Jody though.
Well,
Might be S10.
Leo is coming back really big.
with a stock bottom end.
Yeah, he might make a few passes. He'll be going back to see Daddy Gibbs.
Yeah, I know he's run stock bottom end before. He done pretty good with it. Tell you, how many pounds of boost was
Made a
it?
good mess.
How many pounds of boost was it?
28.
28, 30 pounds of boost. Let go. He said he's gonna send it again.
That's the thing to do.
Now, how is it this is a street car ends up in an enclosed trailer?
Just very carefully. Sometimes you have to do what you do when your stall converter overheats.
So you were out making test hits?
Yeah. Right out there in that gravel parking lot.
Well, you know.
It'll take off in a wet car wash.
Well, from my understanding is you put it in a trailer just in case, you know, you were out street driving it and, you know, you
Yeah,
might,
T-top's leaking.
somebody might pick a race with you or something.
Mm-hmm. Never know when you're going to have to defend your territory.
I know this is defended pretty good here lately, so. He got some loving, so hopefully get some testing in on this car in the next day or two. And it's, from what we've seen, it looks like it's got a little left in it, so I don't know if he wants to show all of it or not, but it's gonna be interesting. I know, what was that movie, Gone in 60 Seconds? That Go Baby Go button.
Mm-hmm.
He got a little love on that little button there too, so yeah. I think you wait till next time I see him. I'm really gonna get on him, so. And that he might have to add an extra button there.
Yeah, we have one down by the foot like the headlight switch.
Yeah. Tell him it's where a nitrous hookup or
Yeah,
something.
Back to the Future.
All right, while they're finishing up, I've got some CO2 tanks. I gotta get it filled up for them so they'll be ready to race. You know, they always talk about shop local, stay local, support local, which is what we try to do as much as we can. So when we get up here to the little shop we're going to, we're give you a sneak peek and show you what they're all about. Alright guys, that's James Oxygen Supply and Company, and just wanted to give you a little taste of what they're about. And there's a lot more in there than what I showed you. If you're into welding, it's like a kid in a candy store being in there. And Devin, he always takes care of us. They've got, you know, filling up our CO2 bottles if we need welding gas. They've got a whole supply of different types of gases for various things that you'll need it for. But like I said, you know, shopping local, staying local, you know, they support us, they help us, so you know, that's what we do, just give it back in return. And guys, like I said, if you go to James O2, just go in there and ask for Devin, and he'll take care of you. And thanks for watching, and like always, first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share it, turn on notifications. Guys, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch you on the next one.